CCS is a set of tools that supports the building industry through all the phases of the construction project, from the client brief phase to the building's operational use. In this video, we look closely at how best to create a solid foundation for a sound contractual agreement between the client, consultant, and contractor. In this way, the client can clarify his expectations so as to ensure a project of high quality and value from concept to operation. Over the last year, the municipality of Hillerød has worked to enhance its digital working methods within its project and operations departments. In connection with this, they have undertaken a number of investigations that have resulted in various digitalization projects, among these, the implementation of CCS. The central focus for Hillerød municipality has been to reach the perfect operational level, taking into consideration both where they are today and where they want to be. Their demands have been both ambitious and realistic. If these demands were unrealistic and difficult to attain, they may quickly be pushed aside. However, if the demands are too weak, there exists a risk that they would not meet the municipality's project requirements. We will look at three key areas which Hillerød municipality focus on in relation to their agreements with general consultants or turnkey contractors. Hillerød municipality, as a public building owner, has to adhere to the Danish government's ICT directive, which requires that the design of large buildings has to be performed digitally. Hillerød municipality's policy in this area is to give the general consultant a free role in the building process and not burden them with unnecessary complicated digital demands. There are points, however, where Hillerød municipality set out clear demands to the consultant, such as demanding the use of collision control and CCS classification. These points are assessed and form the so-called low-hanging fruit, where the value can be obvious, ready to harvest. ICT management within the building industry is a relatively new consultant-led service that aims to form the rules and framework for digital cooperation on the project. We see these services offered more and more as part of the general consultancy contract. However, based on experience, it can be shown that the general consultant does not always have the focus or the right blend of experience that the management of project-specific ICT requires, especially in regard to maintaining the quality and high standards of the construction project. Based on this evidence, Hillerød municipality has decided that, as long as this lack of experience exists and the general consultants are not fulfilling their part of the contract in a satisfactory manner, the ICT management area of projects be offered out to tender to external ICT management consultants. Hillerød municipality believes this measure is required to ensure that the quality level is upheld. The completed building models that are created during the design and project phases are often very beautiful and detailed. However, they can be excessive in relation to what the municipality needs for the daily operational task of using and maintaining a building. The models often contain too much information, much of which can be found to be irrelevant in relation to the building's operational use. It does not, therefore, give any added value to load and maintain these models into the municipality's facilities management system. The work involved in maintaining and managing this data would be unfeasible. Therefore, the as-built models are archived along with the rest of the project documents and can be accessed when required. This may be in connection to renovation work or maintenance, where there becomes a need to examine the actual physical details of the construction. The municipality includes a clause in their contracts that a model is made available which can be used to optimize the subsequent operational use and maintenance of the building. This model is somewhat simpler and contains modeling and data requirements that the municipality knows they can use and manage whilst the building is in operation. In summary, Hillerød municipality has the following advice to building owners who are proceeding with ICT contracts. Trust your consultant, but set clear demands and requirements. Keep track of the consultant's ICT management. Examine your organization's structure and needs, and ask only for what you need. See more on CCS tools and experience with START projects in our other videos on bips.dk.